Hey, so I'm making a new video. I know I haven't uploaded in a while. So I just wanted to make a quick update on YouTube. What has been happening? What I have been coding here. So that's of course not all. Just on my website, everything. Here you have all my old projects. So here the first new thing is where is it? Where are you? Come on. This thing, it's just prime numbers. It just lists all the prime numbers. I think we did something in math with prime numbers. I already knew about it, but it was still fun to code a small code list that infinitely lists all of the prime numbers existing. Yeah, it goes to infinity, so if you let it run for an infinite amount of time, it'll reach infinity at some point. Unless it just crashes, of course. The next big thing, actually, I'm gonna skip that. I'm gonna cover that in the last one. Here we have this audio visualizer. It's really just a. So here you have the frequency bars. That's just a frequency. And this is actually a waveform thing. I could have just made it straight line, but I decided to put it in a circle because why not? That's basically the waveform of the sound it records. So I can try to make a wave. If you listen close and see this, it's gonna make a wave. Of course, it's not a perfect wave, but I think you saw it. That's just a waveform of the sound, and like a normal sine wave is like a just a single tone. That's just how the waveform for that looks like. Okay, as last we have this fractal generator. That was a big project. I mean, not too big, but I worked on it a long while. It was pretty complicated to do because I'm like new to all this stuff. I had to learn all the imaginary numbers and everything and do all by hand, but it's kind of finished now. I'm still working on it. So basically, what this is, it's like a fractal kind of explorer thingy. You've seen it on countless websites probably before. So I just want to point out it's very laggy at the moment because I want to make it a WebGL shader in the future, because then you can like maybe even run it at 60 frames per second. But right now I am just running it with GPU.js, so it's pretty slow. What you can do to avoid this is you zoom in really far. Oh my bad. You set the size very low, and then you zoom in very far. Okay, I didn't have to put it that low, I think. Zoom in pretty far. Okay, maybe a little lower. And then you can navigate around without any lag and see this. And once you think you have a fractal that might be looking somewhat good, you can just zoom out back to normal size and scale it up. And that was a little too big. Oh my god, I'm lagging. Sorry. And you see that it's better quality now. So what features does it all have? So I'm just gonna make this a little smaller. I apologize. So it has, of course, a few fractals. It has the Mandelbrot set, the standard one. It has the burning ship fractal. It has the Celtic fractal. It has the Tricon fractal. It has a few others. For example, the feather fractal. Yeah, I think. Yeah, I took that from a video of from YouTube. I think it was made by Code Parade. I'm gonna put his YouTube on screen. Great YouTuber. I think I kind of just stole this fractal. Okay, I didn't steal it, but took that fractal directly from the video. But it's beautiful, like really beautiful. Just look at it. That's not beautiful. I'm sorry. So yeah, it can. I just liked it that much that I just took it. I mean, it does look insanely beautiful. So then there's also the Shirikov map. I stole that from his video from Code Parade. It looks like a fucking mess. I apologize. Oh my god, I'm lagging right now. Oh god. So I don't know, it's kind of broken. Like, it used to look good, but now it just looks like this mess, and I have no idea why. I might as well just fix it sometime, but I don't really have time for that right now. But yeah, it just looks like a mess. I'm sorry. I don't know why it does that, but it's and then we have the Aikido one that also looks different. Never mind, it's the same. It's just, again, also stolen from Code Parade's video. It just creates kind of cool things, It can look pretty cool sometimes, So you also have this power slider right here. It only works with the Mandelbrot variants, of course, but you can just increase the power, and I think you see what it does. Yeah, the coloring breaks when you have high powers for some fractals. I apologize. So Mandelbrot said, yeah, it breaks for everything, but I'm gonna have to fix that. So yeah, it's just higher powers. You see what it does. I think I don't have to explain that. Really. Yeah, you see it. Yeah, then you have a few different color maps. Here are the terraced ones, so whereas different colors not smooth. This one I just stole off and copied the colors from the Wikipedia one, from the Wikipedia page. Then we have this one. I believe I didn't steal. Sorry. It also looks kind of cool in my opinion. I don't know. Then we have the HSV one. It's ugly, but can be beautiful too. And then we have a fire and ice one that's just blue and red repeating back and forth. We also have this option to reverse the color map, just because why not? Yeah, you just have the option to do it. I don't know. And then we also have two smooth color maps. Oh my god, this took so long. Anyways, here's the classic color map. It's not really classic. I mean, for some people, it should call it classic somewhere, I believe. You see, the colors are pretty smooth right here, and it also looks pretty cool. Oh my god, look at this Julia set right here. That looks amazing. Anyways, also we have a rainbow color map. It's just like the HSV one. It's just not directly HSV. It's more rainbowy like. It's not the best, but it's not the worst too. So it's alright. Yeah, here's just some information if you don't know anything about it. I apologize. I should have explained a lot here, which I didn't. Yeah, this is just a small to do what I wanna do, but it's it's really not that much. Also, I want to point out my recent YouTube video. It's a short actually. It's just a showcase of some fractals I made with this. I can actually try recreating some of these. Which one was that? Yeah, classic color map. Generally set somewhere around here. Oh my god. Fuck you. Oh, there we go. Okay, this doesn't look as great as it did in the video. Some reason. Where was it? Yeah, of course. In the wrong Mandelbrot. We gotta go to this little guy over here, and then just because why not, we can go to this little guy over here, then I apologize, we have to zoom in a lot, and this looks way cooler. I think you agree with me. I hope. Just this does look beautiful. So yeah, there you go. Now we can zoom out and scale this up, and you see it's amazing. I love it. Not because I made it, just because it looks beautiful as hell. And yeah, that's kind of it. I've been working on a lot of other stuff lately that I am going to add on my website too, and show on YouTube probably. I don't know when, I don't know where, but that's it for this video. Subscribe.